Hello. I'm going to attempt gold leaf. All right, here's the frame. I have put red underneath and then this kind of silver on top, which, what did I use? I'm going to use American Accents satin metallic finish, and then just like some cheap, I guess, patio paint, red color, and then it's black on the sides, also just cheap acrylic black. All right, I'm going to take the gold leaf, this stiff, and this adhesive, and put the adhesive down and the gold leaf down. Let's see how it goes. As I understand, I'm supposed to wait till the adhesive is a little tacky before I lay down the leaf, so not immediately. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, I wanted some of the underneath to show through anyway, so it's okay if it's a little imperfect. We need fluff pushing back, because that's what helps it stick. Get stuff kind of laid down and then the excess brushed off, I think. Loving it. Loving it.